Hello and welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. It is December 31st, 2019, and I have secretly been working on repairing our FRS. So let's go ahead and get her unwrapped and take her for a test drive for the new year. Probably should uncover my license plate before I start driving. You guys are gonna love the motor I put in this thing. OEM motor was trash, as are all Subaru. Well, yeah. You guys don't need to be told that. Oh, stuck on the mirror. Come on. Ah, not having friends sucks. Okay, and oh, look at that. Now that is 10 times more reliable than the Subaru motor. Let's take her for a drive. Oh, forgot to turn it on. Go, go FRS, go. Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Shh. Shh. You know what's sad? Is this right now is the fastest vehicle in my garage, because it actually runs. Maybe that's second fastest. Third fastest, doesn't run. And then fourth fastest, no engine. Anyway, Happy New Year 2020, guys. So I hope you're not too disappointed by my video, but we'll see what happens in the new year, right? This was a birthday gift from my brother. Fucking awesome. Go, 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 go. Go, power slide. Ha ha ha. I want to put some plastic tires on it and make it a drifter. Power slide. Nope, that didn't work. Nope, I need to charge it. Go, 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 go. Power, go. Nope. Anyway, this FRS is more reliable than this FRS. And that's kind of a hint at what's to come, because in the 2 or 3 or 4 years it'll take me to get the money I need to fix this car, I will probably be doing a Tesla swap into the car. Because you can buy the entire Tesla rear end, the suspension, the motor, and you just weld in new subframe mounts and bam, you got a 400 horsepower, 800 foot-pound electric monster in the back, and then you put batteries in the front to give yourself a 50-50 weight balance, and then there's a little controller you buy and you just stick it on your dashboard, and then you have an electric supercar that only weighs 2,800 pounds, well, depending on the battery weight, but I don't know. That's plan number 1 is electric swap. Plan number 2 is 2JZ. I'm not doing an LS swap because that's boring and it's been done a billion times. Case in point, the Porsche over there. So, thank you for watching, guys. Happy New Year 2020, and we will see you next time on Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. Thank you.
Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive